Hey guys, Amy from My Couponing Buddy here. So in this video, I'm going to go over threshold coupons and the variables that can make the threshold coupon not deduct, because there's a lot right now going on with threshold coupons versus true BOGO, half BOGO, different prices at stores. So I'm going to run through them since we have multiple deals going on this week with threshold coupons. So I'm going to use the Heinz deal as an example in this video. A threshold coupon is a digital coupon found on the Publix app that says you have to spend a certain amount and you get a certain amount off. So here's the threshold Heinz coupon this week. You spend $15 and you get $3 off. Okay, so the first variable that can affect this coupon is if you are on the new system or if you are on the old system. So I'm going to show you some examples to tell if you are new system or old system, because the coupon deducts differently via the new system versus via the old system. With the new system, the items ring up half price, even if you're in a half BOGO area or a true BOGO area, which is we'll go over that later. The items ring up half price, and it doesn't see the register doesn't register the free items. So here's an example of the new system and how the items ring up, and you can see that Pillsbury are $3.83 and they ring up $1.92 versus the old system, where here's a picture of receipt on the old system. The items both ring up. The chicken that she bought rings up $6.88 and then $6 and whatever cents, and then below that one is deducted. So in the old system and new system, when the coupon sees in the new system, the coupon sees you only spent that $1.92 for the Pillsbury rolls. On the old system, the coupon sees that free item counted towards your threshold. So when it rings up the two chickens at $6.87 each and then deducts it below, that coupon doesn't account for the deduction on the old system, but on the new system it does. So when you are purchasing things on the new system versus the old system, you have to spend different amounts of money based on how the coupon is registered in the system. All right, so here's another variable that's going to affect your digital coupon is price of the item in store. So I'm in Jacksonville, Florida, and this is the shelf price of my Heinz ketchup that's on sale BOGO this week. It's $4.49 in my store. But I have my Publix app set to a Georgia store to show you an example of in Atlanta, Georgia, Heinz ketchup. The same exact bottle is $3.79 BOGO this week. So in Atlanta, Georgia, since it's $3.79 BOGO, if they were on the new system, they would buy 4, which comes to, get my handy dandy calculator out, they would buy 4, which comes to $15.16 pre-BOGO sales. So they're on the old system, so they're going to buy 4 pre-BOGO sale, which comes to $15.16. Then you're going to divide that by 2 because of the BOGO sale. So the register will the coupon will see the $15.16 and deduct, but you're really only spending $7.58 because of the BOGO sale, and then $3 comes off for the coupon, leaving you to pay $4.58 in the old system. If you were in the new system, say in Atlanta, Georgia, it's $3.79. You are going to need to spend you need to buy 8, which will total the $15.16 after the BOGO sale deducts. So it's going to really be $30.32, but then half of that comes off and you are literally spending $15.16 for the $3 to come off. And then you subtract the $3 for the coupon, you are spending $12.16 for 8, which makes them $1.52 each. It's not a huge difference, but you have to buy a ton more. So if you have a friend that you can coupon with and you have the new system, it probably will be beneficial to split the deals, like with mom or whoever, if you're in the new system. Last thing that will affect your digital coupon to not come off would be the item is not included on the coupon. And I've showed you in another video how to scan the item in store to make sure that it is included in the coupon. You can do that in the Publix app by clicking the little square button at the top in the search bar and then scan the barcode. But you can also do this on the Publix website by opening the digital coupon like I just did. You click on it and then you scroll down. And this is a great way to look at, and you can do this on the app as well. When you scroll down on the coupon, it shows the exact same thing. But this is a great way to find the price of the item too. If you have your store set up here, you can change what your store is set to. It will tell you the price of the item when it's on sale. Only when it's on sale, not when it's not on sale, but it's baby steps. So the Heinz ketchup, like I showed you, is on sale BOGO for $3.79, and the regular 20-ounce ketchup is included in this sale. Also, the 14-ounce is included in the sale that's BOGO. And if you click load more, it'll show you that the Simply is on sale for $4.49 and BOGO and is included in the coupon. The no sugar added, this ketchup is on sale for $3.79. The Kraft Smooth mayonnaise, and you can mix and match these products if you want, especially if you're in the new system. This is great. So you don't have to buy 8 ketchup to get that digital coupon to deduct. If you want to buy 2 mayonnaise at $6.49 and then add a couple ketchups to get you to the $15 threshold, you can mix and match. Just make sure that the items are included in the coupon. Okay, so lastly, let's go over the order digital coupons come off. Digital coupons don't stack, meaning if you spend $20, all those coupons on the screen are not going to come off. You might have 55 Old Spice coupons, but not all of them are going to come off. You have to spend a certain amount to get the 5 off 20 to come off, but the $2 off body wash coupon is going to come off before that 5 off 20 comes off in most cases. And I'm going to say most cases because sometimes it trips us up and just likes to do things funny. Sometimes they stack, but it is a rarity. It is like 0.5% chance that these coupons are going to both come off when you spend $20. I've only seen it happen a very few times. So the way I'm going to explain it to you is the way it happens 99% of the time, but I hate to say it's a definite because somebody's always going to prove me wrong. All right, so the first, how it will happen is the lowest denomination normally comes off first. So if you have more than one digital coupon, what's going to happen is, say you buy body wash and you buy $20 worth of body wash. That $5 off 20 is not going to come off. The $2 off body wash coupon is going to come off. The other 2 coupons are for deodorant. So if you don't buy deodorant, you don't have to worry about them. You have to worry about body wash because you bought body wash. So the $2 off coupon is going to come off first. So you would need to spend $22 and both coupons will come off. So if you spend $22 in body wash products, then the $2 coupon will come off first, leaving you with $20 still remaining in Old Spice products that you bought. So then the $5 coupon will come off. Okay, so that is threshold coupons. I'm not going to overwhelm you. I was going to do a little bit more on digitals, but that is threshold coupons in a nutshell. And I know it's a lot, and I just wanted to give you guys kind of a visual and tell you all of the components that are working to make the digital coupon deduct when it's a threshold coupon. So remember, this is only threshold coupons that this affects, which are the coupons that are $5 off when you spend 20 or 5 when you spend 15. If none of this applies to a regular old Publix coupon that's $3 off when you spend 2, they work the same as they have always worked. So new system doesn't matter, old system doesn't matter, true BOGO doesn't matter, half BOGO doesn't matter when it's a $3 off 2 coupon. All right, guys, happy couponing.